my name is April Burns. I'm the admissions team leader here at Clary Sage College, and this is
Katie McCullough, admissions representative here at Clary Sage College.
Today we are going to be showing you our kit and a few of the books that come along with our nail technology program that we offer here, just so you have a good idea of what comes along once you're a student here. So we're going to start with the books. So we have a couple of things here. We have your exam review. So once you finish the program, you do go take your state board test to get a license. So you've got an exam review that has all the questions and kind of, you know, the multiple choice answers and everything, so you can prepare for that. But then you also have an online licensing prep too. So both of those to help you prepare for that. And then you have the My Lady Standard Student Workbook that goes along with the nail technology program, so that you have all of your workbook in one. And it's got some fun stuff here too. So it's got different like puzzles. So it's not just like a normal book that you would get at, you know, a normal program. It's got fun crosswords and everything. So it's kind of fun and interesting learning instead of just fill in the blank type learning. And then I'm gonna have Katie break into this awesome kit that you'll get.
Awesome. So your kit comes in this awesome container here. It's a multi-level container. So once you get out into the field and you get more equipment and tools and stuff that you want to take with you, you can actually purchase this bottom section and stack them up. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this top part off, thank you, and jump right into the bottom assortment here. So in the bottom section we have a manicure bowl. We've got your state board acrylic set, so this is what you'll take with you to your state board exam. A 6-piece manicure set. We've got antibacterial cleansing spray and brush cleaner for all of your gel brushes and things like that. We've got some spray bottles and little empty containers here.
Those are nice.
This in here, what's this called?
The
Tappin bowl. And the nail dehydrator is this little guy right here.
That.
We've also got some disposable pedicure kit. So it's got your toe separators, a couple different the block file, a classic file, and then a nail brush as well. And then over here, this is a assortment of nail primers. It looks like a plastic dapping bowl. Got it right that time. So, some dotting tools for nail art and doing decorations on the nails, and then your acrylic and other decorating brushes in here as well. So that's kind of what's in the first part of the kit.
So let's go into it. This, put the lid on here so it's out of the way. So we have got, in this section, you've got your UV lamp. So you'll have that to take with you. You have got, let's see, your powder polishes. So all of your different dip systems that you'll have as well. It's really nice. It has two other little colors too, silver and passionate pink. And then what else do we have?
Let's see. So to go along with your UV lamp, we've got the gel nail kit here with all of your supplies to do the gel nails. And then also your acrylic kit here. So it has the nail tips, the glue, the pink and white powders are all in here as well.
Got your sterilizing jar with covers, so that way, you know, you'll learn about sterilization in the program because it's very important, not only for your state board test, but just for your career in general. So you'll learn about that. But you've got your jar here to use.
Let's see, we've also got a Pro Fiberglass kit.
Ooh.
So you learn quite a few different types of nails throughout the nail technician program. And the last thing in here is a couple different just nail polishes.
Ooh, you've got like your top coat. You've got a beautiful red.
Base coat.
Yeah, base coats and everything as well. And how did you say this brand name, Katie?
Cuccio.
Cuccio is the brand that you'll have. So that's with your dips. You've got it in these nail polishes as well. So
as the dip kit.
As the dip kit. So that concludes the nail technology or nail technician program. kit that you'll get. So you'll get all of those things, and like Katie was saying, you can just build up as you are in your career and getting more and more items, especially when it comes on with the polishes on the bottom of this kit. So that way you can kind of keep it for a long time instead of having to continuously upgrade as you get more supplies. So if you have any questions, give us a call in admissions. We'd be happy to answer anything that you have. Our number here is 918-298-8200, or you can check us out online at www.clarysagecollege.com. Have a good day.